Welcome to Daily News Analysis by Abhid Shiksha. It is 27th of March today, and this is our list of news for today. So here we start. It's World Theatre Day today. Every year this day is being celebrated on 27th March to raise the awareness and importance of theatre arts and their role in the field of entertainment and also the changes that theatre brings to life. So the theme for this year is Theatre and a Culture of Peace. So we know the importance of theatre in our lives. We need entertainment from time to time. From PIB and the Ministry of Mines. The news reads as NALCO BARC releases India's first bauxite CRM. So what is CRMs? CRMs are certified reference materials, which are the blocks of metal that come with certificates indicating the concentration of their various constituent elements along with their uncertainty levels. These are especially used in testing laboratories. So that was about CRMs or certified reference materials. Now we know what is BARC. It is the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and NALCO is the National Aluminium Company Limited. So these two companies have jointly and successfully developed and also launched the first bauxite CRM, naming BARC B1201, and this is a first of its kind CRM in India and fifth in the world. With the launch of this bauxite CRM, there will be import substitution for use by industries, research laboratories, and academic institutions as calibration standard in evaluating analytical methods, performance of instruments, and data quality control in routine analysis of bauxite. So that was all about that news. The next news is from the space section. ISRO puts around 36 OneWeb satellites into orbit. From this news, we get to know that the heaviest payload rocket LV-M3 has carried 36 OneWeb satellites and lifted off into orbit. So the successful launch of the 36 OneWeb satellites by ISRO is a significant milestone for India because OneWeb satellites bring in global communication network powered from space, enabling connectivity for governments, businesses, and communities. So for OneWeb, it is the 18th launch and the third launch for the current year, bringing its constellation to 618 satellites. And in the next news, we will get to know that Reliance Jio has installed 1 lakh telecom towers to roll out India's fastest, deepest penetration 5G network to provide ultra-high-speed internet. And then we have about biotransformation technology. So from this news, we will be knowing that a UK-based startup have claimed to develop biotransformation technology, and this technology says that it can alter the state of plastics and make them biodegradable without even leaving behind any microplastics. The plastics being made under this technology will feel like conventional plastics without compromising on quality, and once the product expires and gets exposed to the environment, it can self-destruct and transform to bioavailable wax, which is then consumed by microorganisms, turning to water, carbon dioxide, and biomass as waste. So in case the biotransformation technology is being launched, food packaging and healthcare industries will greatly benefit from this innovation. Moving on, we have the news from sports section, and here we can see the faces of 4 champions who have all bagged gold in the World Women's Boxing Championships. Neetu have won under 48 kg finals. Sawiti won under 81 kg finals. Then Nikhat under 50 kg category and Lovelina under 75 kg category. So many congratulations to all these winners to have brought glory to our country. Also, the Satvik and Chirag, winners from Commonwealth Games, have won the first title of the season at Swiss Open 2023. So loads of congratulations to them too. And in the final news, we will get to know about Assam government inking MOU for intrastate flight services with Flybic. So Flybic is the Big Charter Private Limited. The MOU that has been inked between Assam government and Flybic will add a new height to intrastate air connectivity. The services that will be provided will give assured connectivity and assured price too, with the maximum price being fixed at Rs 4,000. So that was all about today's news here. We wind up our session here today. Hope our sessions are being beneficial for the preparation of your exams that you are doing. You can always join with our study circle if you need proper guidance, discussions, preparation tips for highly competitive exams such as UPSC, APSC and all. The link to register is given in the description box below. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.